2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. With less than 39,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.